Hello everyone, I am Umasankar Maganti, a chartered accountant and also a faculty for Direct Taxation. Many people these days are asking me, sir, from when Income Tax Act 2025 is applicable? Many CA Inter, CA Final, CMA Inter and CMA Final students are asking me, sir, from which attempt onwards this Income Tax Act 2025 is applicable for the students. So to clarify those things, I am making this video. First of all, whatever the Income Tax Act 2025 is there, it is applicable from 1st April 26 onwards, entire India. So from 1st April 26 onwards for entire general public, for every person, Income Tax Act 2025 is applicable. It is applicable for Finance Act 2026. Okay, so those who are earning income from 1st April 2026 onwards, all of them are going to pay tax as per new Income Tax Act 2020. Sir, what are the tax rates? Right now, Income Tax Act is notified, but income tax rules are not notified. Income tax rules will be notified in December month as per the speculation. We are also awaiting for it. Next, when this act came into force, actually on 21st August 2022, our Honorable President Draupadi Murmuji gave consent for new income tax bill, which got after her signature, it got converted into Income Tax Act 2020. Coming to CA students and CMA students. For CA students, both inter and final, this Income Tax Act 2025 is applicable from May 2027 attempt onwards. For CMA students, both inter and final, this new Income Tax Act 2025 is applicable from June 2027 attempt onward. I pray to God, those who are writing CA, inter and final in May 2026, September 26 or January 27, they should clear in that attempt only, because if they fail, they are required to study New Income Tax Act 2025 fresh. At the same time, I also pray to God, those CMA students who are writing inter and final in the attempts of June 26, December 26, they should clear in those attempts only, because from June 27 attempt onwards, New Income Tax Act 2025 is applicable. So this is the applicability of Income Tax Act 2025. Thank you very much. Bye.